Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to import and visualize shapefiles using RStudio. To visualize shapefiles in RStudio, you need to install two libraries that are rgdal and the second one is ggplot2. And if these two libraries are not installed in RStudio, then you can simply install by clicking on package button and then on install button and just search here for rgdal and here then click on install button, and you can also install ggplot2 by using install. And I have already installed these two libraries, and now I will load or import these two libraries by writing library rgdal, and the second one is ggplot2. Let's run that. And here in console button you can see these two libraries are imported. And now the next step is we're going to define variables, and I'll define shp as variable, and we're gonna apply readOGR function. And now we will define data source name. Data source name is just basically the working directory, and now we're going to provide name of the layer, and here in my case I am using shapefile of India. It's named as ind adm0. And one thing which you must remember here is that you don't need to write any file extension here, that is .shp or any other. And the reason is that when you download shapefile of any shapefile, you will see that there are 4 to 5 files with the same file name but with different extensions. And the file with .shp extension contains only geometrical properties of the shapefile. The file with .dbf extension contains attribute data of the shapefile, and the file with prg extension, it stores the projection system data. Now just run that. And now we're going to upload shp. And plot section, you can see that shapefile of India is plotted by the RStudio. You can also give some additional features to your shapefile, that is color, by simply writing color. And for example, I give yellow color to my shapefile, and background color I'm going to provide pink color. Now just run that. Here in plot section you can see the shapefile is filled with yellow color and the background is colored in pink. Now we're going to do some advanced plotting using ggplot2 libraries. For that we need to convert our data, as our data is in regular data frame, as our data is in polygon data frame. We're going to use fortify function to convert this data. And we're going to apply this function to shp, and now just do that. And here you can see that by just clicking on df, here you can see the properties, that is longitude, latitude, and other information, that is id group of the shapefile. We're going to use ggplot function now. And addition, we're going to be using geom polygon, and we're going to apply this function to our data, that is df. And using AES, we're going to define x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we're going to define longitude, on y-axis we're going to define latitude, and now just simply run that. And in plot section you can see that the shapefile with longitude and latitude information is plotted, but here you can also see that there are a lot of distortions in the shapefile, and the reason of distortion is that in DF you can see that many regions have the same group number. Actually the group number is the unique identifier of each region, and as there are many regions which have same group number, there are distortions in the data. It is running from 0.1 to 0.757, and to solve this problem we're gonna group all of them. We're gonna write group is equals to group. Now just run that. And here in plot section you can see the shapefile of India is plotted and there is no distortions. Thank you.